Make a great choice today with the 2016 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, heated and cooled front seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.